Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your theme in Destiny 2 game. To change your theme in Destiny 2, first of all, open the Destiny 2 application on whichever platform you are using and make sure that you are logged in. From the home page or the portal page, go to the More button at the bottom right corner and tap on it. Inside the More menu, after signing into your account, go ahead and click on the Account Settings button. At the very top, you will see the theme option. Tap on that and pick your theme you want to change for your character or yourself. And soon after you do that, you will be able to change your theme on your profile in a few simple steps. So that is how you change your theme in Destiny 2. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.